Investing in Netflix and earning money is pretty easy thing to do today. I'm going to teach you how you guys can invest in Netflix and earn money. While investing in Netflix is actually quite an easy part as compared to earning money because earning money is quite complicated through the stock. So I'm going to tell you how you guys can invest. So in order to do that, you have to be at your Google and here you have to search for TradingView. You can actually use different trading platforms according to you. Now, TradingView allows you to track all the markets. However, it does not directly allow you to buy or sell the, stocks. So we will go to the products and we will see all of these products which we, can buy stocks for. However, you can actually go to the trading panel and link any of these, brokerage as well in order to buy the stocks directly from this page. So after that, what you have to do is you simply have to search for the Netflix stock. So I'm just going to search for Netflix and there you go. This is a Netflix stocks that you can buy. However, in order to make money, you just have to be, smart about it. You just have to think about it, learn new strategies that how you can make money through the trading. And with these, you will be able to make money. So that's very much it. That's how you guys can buy or slash invest in Netflix and earn money. Hope you guys find this video helpful.